Hello everyone and welcome back to Skin and Healthy Tips. Today we're talking about a topic that's making waves in the health and wellness world, the gut health revolution. Did you know that your gut is often called your second brain? It's the control center for so many essential functions in your body, from digestion and immunity to mental health and even glowing skin. If you've ever felt bloated, tired, stressed, or noticed your skin breaking out, this could be your gut trying to tell you something. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's talk about how you can join this revolution to completely transform your health. So, what is gut health anyway? You see, it's more than just about having a comfortable digestion. It's about the trillions of microbes that live in your intestines. We're talking bacteria, viruses, fungi, all together. They make up your gut microbiome. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Microbes, bacteria. Sounds kind of scary, right? But trust me, these little guys are absolutely crucial for our survival and well-being. Think of your gut microbiome as a complex ecosystem. When it's balanced and thriving with diverse beneficial bacteria, you experience optimal health. But when it's out of whack, with harmful bacteria taking over, that's when you run into problems. We're talking digestive issues, weakened immunity, skin problems, even mental health can be affected. So taking care of your gut health is really about taking care of your overall health. So how can you tell if your gut needs a little TLC? Well, your body has a pretty amazing way of letting you know, and there are some common signs to look out for. Firstly, digestive issues. If you're experiencing bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, or even heartburn regularly, it could be a sign that your gut microbiome is out of balance. Secondly, skin problems. Remember that gut-skin connection? Well, if you're dealing with acne, eczema, rosacea, or other skin irritations, it might be a sign that your gut health needs attention. Thirdly, constant fatigue. Feeling tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep, could be a sign that your gut isn't absorbing nutrients efficiently. Fourthly, brain fog or mood swings. Your gut produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a role in mood regulation. So, if you're experiencing brain fog, anxiety, depression, or mood swings, it could be linked to your gut health. And lastly, weakened immunity. Did you know that a large portion of your immune system is actually located in your gut? That's why, if you're getting sick frequently, it could be a sign that your gut microbiome is compromised. One of the most powerful ways to support your gut health is through the food you eat. And the key here is diversity. Just like a diverse rainforest is a healthy rainforest, a diverse gut microbiome is a happy gut microbiome. So what does a gut-friendly diet look like? Well, it's all about incorporating a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables. Think berries, leafy greens, broccoli, carrots. The more variety, the better. These are packed with fiber, which acts as food for your good gut bacteria. Next up, whole grains. Choose whole grain bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats over refined grains. These are also great sources of fiber and provide nourishment for your gut microbes. And don't forget legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, beans. They're all excellent sources of fiber and plant-based protein, which are beneficial for your gut health. Now let's talk about probiotics, the live bacteria that help balance your gut. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso are fantastic additions to your diet. Chapter 4. Prebiotics are your gut's best friend. Now, we can't talk about probiotics without mentioning their partners in crime, prebiotics. Think of prebiotics as the fuel that feeds the probiotics, helping them thrive in your gut. They're essentially types of fiber that your body can't digest, but your gut bacteria love to feast on them. So where can you find these gut-boosting prebiotics? Well, many delicious fruits and vegetables are excellent sources. Bananas are a great source of prebiotic fiber, as are onions and garlic, which contain a type of prebiotic fiber called inulin. Asparagus is another fantastic option, as are oats, a breakfast staple that's also rich in prebiotic fiber. By incorporating these prebiotic-rich foods into your diet, you're essentially giving your gut bacteria the nourishment they need to flourish and support your overall health. Remember, a happy gut starts with a well-fed gut microbiome. Chapter 5. Cut out the gut haters. Just like there are foods that can boost your gut health, there are also some that can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome. And let me tell you, these are the usual suspects. First on the list is excessive sugar. We all love a sweet treat now and then, but consuming too much sugar can feed the harmful bacteria in your gut, leading to an imbalance. Next up, highly processed foods. These are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and artificial ingredients that can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. Artificial sweeteners are another culprit. They might seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, but studies have shown that they can negatively impact gut bacteria and even contribute to glucose intolerance. And of course, we can't forget about alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption might not pose a significant threat, excessive drinking can damage the gut lining and disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. By reducing or eliminating these gut busters, you're creating a more favorable environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive, which in turn benefits your overall health. Chapter 6. Stay hydrated. It might seem simple, but staying hydrated is absolutely crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. Think of water as the essential lubricant that keeps everything moving smoothly in your digestive system. When you're dehydrated, your body has a harder time breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, which can lead to constipation and other digestive discomforts. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water throughout the day. You can also sip on herbal teas, coconut water, or even add some lemon or cucumber slices to your water for a refreshing flavor boost. Listen to your body and drink fluids throughout the day, especially during or after exercise when you're in a hot environment or if you're feeling thirsty. Chapter 7. Manage stress. You know that feeling when you have a knot in your stomach because you're stressed out? That's your gut-brain connection in action. Stress can have a profound impact on your gut health, and chronic stress can really throw your gut microbiome out of whack. When you're stressed, your body produces hormones like cortisol, which can affect digestion, nutrient absorption, and even the composition of your gut bacteria. So, managing stress is essential for both your mental and gut health. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as mindfulness practices, meditation, or yoga. These practices can help calm your mind and, in turn, soothe your gut. Even simple deep breathing exercises can make a difference. Find what works best for you and make it a part of your daily self-care routine. Taking care of your mental well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health when it comes to maintaining a healthy gut. Outro Join the Gut Health Revolution. This is your invitation to join the gut health revolution. Take small steps every day and watch how your body transforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, because gut health is something everyone deserves to know about. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips to keep your skin and body thriving. Thank you for watching Skin and Healthy Tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.